Odofo, mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so midin ede adwoa search. Mesrel subscribe to my channel. Founsa me abe on so. Ube a notification and some ekoso wo man mu bia obenye bia tie anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. Felix Apia eye Facebook blogger. Na ono na oye program awatu ni din political zone. Ochre se eye His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ebeye omampani ewo man Ghana emu. Enema bebre na ekoyie chese enema gugu na kwam yie pa. NDC for omo opposition sisi almost omo entiasi because Nanado enye bibia. Enti ene Nanado de chidi omo bo papa. Neno na Felix echre se NDC for etu futu egu Ghana fo ani. Enti ont na ho. Listen no or the facts and the evidence and the debate na adwuma na Ghana fo ya je di se eyampa His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo eye adwuma na Felix na okase na nsema a okan na ne se eye omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na NDC amayoku no krono de omunim bo pa omunim krono bo na wo won krono bo no won fetu na eko won fetu won fe jan won fe bibia so okase wo wia wa wo be wia wa ma wan kase wahu say yes krone de NDC for mu nimbo papa na de enti afale se kase ina o kire se NDC for sorry na ye ba bem from Ora Atamils na ne penso ebe pen wan pani dada John Dramani Mahama be take over ne penso ina no infrastructures de omu ye bi omu sisi markets omu esisi hospitals any Dubai circle na de adi any interchanges e cause wo memu nyazem keto akra na Felix kase in some NDC for sorry omo kase see hospitals SCC schools na de adi nyina no o man pani dada John Dramani Mahama ne concentration na e that side because of sika no person orienti because at night the usia opa cement no fa no quantity o bosozo a opa obeni biala ene edan si de ubenya faso wo so papa enti no mampani dada John Dramani Mahama emma na ne concentration e ko ho mowa and then this for sorry yes dan wa ha yes hospital wa ya yesi ni nyina sika no mo pedi sika no mo pedi sika mo pewi o man Ghana sika mpeso mo wie gombotom enti no mo avoid so mo the free SHS beba omo be ma youth na adwuma ti said Nanado e de nap kwa ba 1D 1F planting for food and jobs na de adi and this for the one no ho no mo adwin ni ho kra because ho no omo do omo adwin ko ho a free SHS say no omo be boka omo boka so anya de omo be sika wo bi adi enti nya de omo de omo concentration be ko na mu edan sisi de and her interchange utume de be 1 million eka say interchanger and NDC who be no almost about 3 million and this kabuja enti na NDC form dem concentration na ekogu infrastructure so no na yenti ensema Felix e de etudwa
City newsroom ya fair non started yeah 2017 this was in 2019 okay 27 E-blocks project completed under NPP government. Me pacho E-block ya mi ken eye Mr. Mahama adwuma oka say ye man be ye president ya obeya amayen. Me pese obi ate ase because o start ko ka say na abandoned project. And this a what is NDC ni bi ko ka say abandoned project a me men ka wanu ntum. Wo ko te say NDC ni bi ka abandoned project a bisa ni say mu de ahe when you be so for details mbra me Maka said this time we shall kill every propaganda be omo de we shall kill it me say wa ba no be catch say na Mahama adwuma no wo ye nyina Akufo-Addo ba ye wanto aso no ebisa ne say Mahama adwuma no mu de no wo ye Akufo-Addo ba ye wanto aso onwo ba koma they run away. They will run away. 27 E-block projects completed under NPP government. Educhum. A deputy minister for education in charge of general education, Osaya Educhum, has told Parliament that 27 E-block projects have been completed by the Akufo-Addo administration. According to him, only 29. According to him, only 29 out of the 124 that were almost ready were completed under Mahama. Is somebody reading with me? This is City News. On one page. And this is for an newsroom. And I'm a day say City News. Or say, only 29 out of the 124 that were almost ready were completed under Mahama. And you know, so we 124 e-blocks as they say, yeah, completing now, which is almost completed now. And 29. And that there was on the show that any e-blocks by infrastructure can no. We couldn't pay infrastructure. And then they come and say, we'll be on farming call. I couldn't tell our pay infrastructure and say, no one here to trouble, and no one here to me car. Then your infrastructure, yes, is way. Cement and I say a tot you better too. And Nina, chance down and top papa, you better be sure to be near trouble. And looking at papa will be an infrastructure king, young man of crown or call. Say, quite a matter or the Samolene funeral committee chairman, I can do. What is a care accident? I know the American will go through all matters and when accident. What small as they say, go for the Mukra, and I say 1 year, and a year never. President Mua. Who flew another cold dog, the cold funu, or pay funu. Young Pessy can't find more Ghana or Brady, and me pay Nimuda. Young what think of one Kumo, and they say, I know a corner could 10,000 as it is in Sianaba, and we shall take care of all their hospital bills and one on the near week. And we shall take care of their hospital bills and one near week. Papa no pay infrastructure job because no any yet trouble one air debt. Me no shake on at I'm starting railway lines, no me carry those times. Obi can try me say Mr. Mahama time railway to free here call here one day grada. Momo and this is for no way this day say other omusro. And this is for me say Mr. Mahama time no railway ba kokura 2 and 3 bag up on our compa. This was saying is that free education can only be possible 20 to 100 years time because every 4 years we are so basically 29 there. Picture when they would have finished the 200. Picture the years they would have finished the 200. Yeah, more 4 years. 4 years. No one they are here 29. We are. It's your flagship program. Free education, a young people for flagship program. E-blocks, a MDC for flagship program. What is Sikano, a Jumana 1 year wedding? What is Sikano so a Jumana 1 year? Now, maybe so be also a year by Junaba or Junagana, on 100 in the young, said 100 in the 2 Jimin and the fried to be a Breno, or now will be the Breno or Pesagana cock, I say. I thought to be our Nasa in Yabia. A band saying, and I walk on dear say, who could see dying. Now when see dino. Now obi aba. Now oni pakono afa dwene say esa akoda bia ko school ntino. School so ankola na chusu no maybe a friend infrastructure expansion. Na me no ka say menia say ye ntro na wudi. Say ye this propaganda yare ni bi na atiasi uso na ya no kra na wo. You can go to all the existing schools no and see the kind of development that has been done. You can go all over and see the development Kufuado or better double track here NDC for the join assume and a double track and a way there and a school way there and your school papa and a why no. We would have all seen it. We would have all seen it. Now take your thing again and go to Google. Maybe tell me how like the kind of people we live with. Okay? Okay, Yankwaha. I'm so hot now. Yankwaha. Shadia. Double track was about to be ended, okay? And I say it's still in the process of ending. But Shadia, President here, or Junene, Sebi, or Junene my home. Onim said, ne mind be here amenities no. Or buy your better say infrastructure problem, the existing schools mono. and now start so wo ye den o si bi na afi so asan so abie bi kai so se oba ban inherit bibi an e friend no e-blocks mini a e-blocks yi mo be kai a Mr. Mahama konante nanti bi ho na ehye wura bi mo no aka sa akọje